Now sensorium time. Which color sound box is this? And this one? Which color? This is blue color sound box. What is this? Sound box. Blue color. Okay? Musical sound. And this one? Red color. And different sound. This box? Yes? Then different sound. And this? Also different sound. Now you have to match the sound. Understood? Wait. Wait. Now it's same sound. Yes? That's it. Same sound. Okay? Now next. This is? Same sound. Yes. Same sound. And this one? No. No. Yes. Now? No? Same sound. Yes. And this one? Same sound. Now you have to match like this. Understood, everyone? One by one you have to come and then match sound. Same sound. Okay, keep it there. Very good, Reyansh. Clap for Reyansh, everyone. Yes. Now, next. Okay, match Pua. Same sound. Very good. Clap for Pua, everyone. Yes, very good, Jansh. Clap for Jansh, everyone. Same sound. Yes, same sound. Clap for Karthik, everyone. Same sound. Very good. Clap for Riya. Start. Yes, Pranjana. Same sound. Very good. Clap for Pranjana, everyone. Same sound? Yes. Very good. Clap for Pratyush. Same sound? Yes. Clap for Navika, everyone. No. 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 No? Check. Another one. Check. Yeah. Now, same sound. Clap for see everyone.
Go back.
Same sound. Yes. Start. Same sound? Yes. Very good, Shreyansh. Clap for Shreyansh. Yes. Same sound. Yes. Clap for Yat, everyone. Same sound? Yes. Very good. Match, match. No. Same sound? Yes, show me. Yes, same sound. Yes. Very good, Ojasvi. Clap for Ojasvi, everyone. Same sound? Very good. Clap for Manasvi, everyone. Same sound? Yes. Clap for Mifra, everyone. Same sound? Yes. Clap for Jasmine, everyone.
Same sound.
Same sound. Very good. Clap for Gina, everyone.